you guys need some trailers, you got horses, there you go. This man or this company or whoever this is has a buttload of horse trailers. That's a lot of trailers. A lot of trailers. Guys, I bought me a swivel for my camera mount, and I just had to try it out here a few seconds ago. I actually enjoy that swivel mount because before I had a hard time turning my camera when I needed to turn it. You know, I missed a gear. It happens. But anyway, yeah, I bought that swivel. Show you guys how good that thing works. That thing swivels all the way around 360 degrees. I'm like a kid with a new toy. Well, I am a kid with a new toy. I know we all are like that when we get stuff. Especially us men, when we get new stuff and we just have a great time with it. Like a kid in a candy store. Guy out walking his dog. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. I'm just riding through the neighborhood, seeing what's going on, taking you guys along with me. Hadn't been on the bike in a while. Just checking things out. Are y'all ready for Christmas? You know, I talked to a lot of people, you know, recently. Well, I ain't gonna say a whole lot, but a few people when they come into the business. And for the most part, a lot of people are just not ready for Christmas. They like, I can't wait till it's over with. And I'm thinking that applies to a lot of us that don't have any kids anymore. Well, we all have kids, but maybe they're grown up kids. And my kids, we don't have any grandchildren. So without grandchildren, it's just me and my wife. So we kind of Grinches on Christmas now. You know, the front end of the bike kind of feels funny. Never noticed that before. I think it might be time for a new tire. See if I can negotiate this turn here. I should be able to. It's big enough, big enough, big enough, big enough. Hey guys, I remember riding my bicycle back when I was young through this neighborhood. Me and a bunch of my other fellas. Just riding through, having a good time. And it's amazing that this old neighborhood here has not changed that much in about 35 years. Everything still seems the same. Turn the camera a little bit here. Beautiful area out here. Nice, quiet. That's just the way I like it. Nice and quiet.
You can find all the new music and mixtapes.
But now I will say, I remember this road here being dirt when I was younger. So this is new. There's always a dirt road here. That's right, we used to ride a dirt bike through here. Had a good time. They want to talk about diamonds in their ears, but the record shows they lose more than the Cavaliers. Mike Tyson flow, I beat the beat up, got them by the throat like they getting the checked up. They neglect my respect, better come correct because I move faster than a 94 Corvette. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? I pose a question. How many of you would love to go back to your youth? Some days I really wouldn't mind going back to my youth. And then there's other days that I say, nah, I'm satisfied just like I am. Wouldn't want to go back to my youth for nothing in the world. Not one bit. Got to take it careful in this gravel because this thing is spin out here. Another tricky thing about riding in gravel when you're turning, you got to be careful. I was watching a video a couple of weeks ago. A guy had posted up about he wrecked his brand new Harley, and all he did was just take a little slow turn and some soft gravel out on the highway, and he dropped it, and it scratched it up pretty good, you know. He was quite angry with himself because I think he's only had it like maybe a week and a half, and you drop it and it scratches it up. And he was able to get some of the scratches out of the saddlebags, you know, and fix it up so you really couldn't tell it unless you really looked up close. But down on his primary, down there somewhere, it scratched it up pretty good, and that wasn't about to come out. So I think he could probably buy another cover and put on it. And help that out. They sleeping on me. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. All right. Bar still nice, no need for ice. Battling me, yes, that's how you want that pint of twice. I gotta let them know that I'm young with a flow. Cut on my squares and send them back like dominoes. Jigger, I have no empathy. Here's the smallest fiddle, play it in the middle. Watch it at 7 like Malcolm in the middle. I'm a beast on the field and in the booth. I can suck that out like a main root. I'm taking vow, tossing to this thief in the now. Of the river, making a bunch of faces. Oh, my audio is coming in good and clear. To make my ego bigger and to stack a couple of dollars to make me bronze hollow. I've had some trouble with it here lately. I left the whole building, no hide of women and children. Cause my eyes are red like a villain. I got sick visions of drugs and blood spilling. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. What they sleeping on? Who they sleeping on? They sleeping on me. They're in the Christmas spirit. Man, let's take this dirt road. That's something I try to avoid is dirt roads, but I'm gonna take this one anyway. Not get in that soft sand right there and dump it. Woo! I felt it slip, guys. I don't want to regret coming down this road and make a video of how I wrecked my bike. I'd be sure to get tons of views because people love seeing tragic accidents, and I don't want to be one, and I don't want to post one. And I'm gonna tell you, this road here can use a little pavement. Just imagine if you was on your vehicle, your car or something, and you met somebody. Shit, you'd almost have to get in a ditch to pass somebody. This is ridiculous. But you know, this road has been like this for many, many, many years, and they haven't did anything about it. And I got a feeling they're not going to either. We're at the end of it. How many of you like riding down dirt roads? I think that'll be my last time riding down a dirt road. I didn't enjoy that one bit. Now, if I was on an adventure bike or a dirt bike, I might have enjoyed that a whole lot. But not on a cruiser. Hey, remember guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And like I said, you're riding with Southern Boys Ride and your host, I'm D-Rob. See you next time, guys.